Munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Nyeri Farothi Samuel Wamathai ni acokeire ruhonge rwa Nakada ngatho ni gukorwo rukinyitirira kaunti iyo mibango-ini yayo ya gwaka giikaro gia keri gia guteithia aria maremetwo gutigana na njohi na ndawa ingi cia kurebia. Oho ni oigite ati kaunti iyo ni irutaniirie kurwa na njohi cia ibango.
We have managed to reduce the bar licenses from 2,562 to 1,907. We have also managed to reduce the wine and spirit outlets from 200 to 42. So we believe with the cooperation of every Nyeri, every person from Nyeri, we shall be able to succeed.
Mwikarigiti wa Nakada John Mututho ni uritie thirikari cia matura cige kigina kuma mbeca iria ciunganagia kuma uheani wa license cia kwendia njohi citeithagie Nakada kuhurana na njohi cia ibango.
Our commitment as Nakada is steadfast, and we are looking at having national rehabilitation centers done under national management.
Mumemba wa bodi ya Nakada Jagua Kanyi ni atindikiriirie bata wa anyiti itemi othe kuruta wira hamwe niguo bara ya njohi igacire.
Na hii kazi ya campaign si ya Nakada pekee na county government. I'm calling upon every kila mtu, every Kenyan, every Nyerian, lazima tushirikiane kwa sababu ni problem ina affect kila mtu.
Atongoria acio ningi ni moritie mbeũ njithi ndigetikire kwanangwo ni arũĩrĩri a iturwa mwanya mwanya na makamahenagĩrĩria na njohi hindi ria kambeini yambĩrĩria.